Alright, the fuel pump on these fucking things, we couldn't get it to pump any fuel out of the outlet. But if you hold your finger on here, when you start winding, it'll pull fuel and it'll end up getting more and more flow until now it works. So there's a tip. Because we've been trying to get it to wind over and do its thing, and she's got no fuel, so we've mucked around the system a bit, but we needed all the hoses connected so it would pull. Yeah?
Yeah.
Sound fair? So we've got the distributor in, we've got the timing set, we think, within 180 degrees anyway. We've got oil, we've got power steering fluid, which we can check again now. We went it over a couple of times.
I don't really want to gacky glue that on first.
You don't have to.
Should be right, shouldn't it?
See how it goes.
So at least you can gacky glue it. If not, you know.
Yeah, we've got oil, we've got power steering fluid. We've got the distributor in gently. We've got vacuum for the master cylinder. We don't have vacuum for the timing yet. We're not sure what we're going to do about that. We're going to have to drill one of these tapped threads here out. Put a vacuum cord in maybe.
See what happens. Might be getting on the gurus and figuring out some shit.
Get on the old YouTuber.
Yeah, that's what everyone else has done, you know.
That's what they did. Boots are covered in cable ties. There's a reason for it. Thanks, go rusty. Alright, so we're cable tying on the fucking fuel lines because we haven't got sufficient clamps today. Matthew wants to see the cargo, I think. But that'll do for a bit because,
I'll buy a new one.
like I said before, look at the boat motor. Cable ties everywhere. Countdown to the first fire, ladies and gentlemen.
Please work.
There are a couple of little sort of half-assed bits here going, but they'll be rectified later. This here, hopefully, won't leak. We'll just see how long. Oh, I think we might have a seal.
You want to sit down and relax with it? Look, somewhat.
Fuel system. Check. She's done. I'm going to get a wild turkey. Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Wilson. We're back. It's the next day. Didn't go yesterday. True story. I haven't had a shower yet, so I'm not coming on the camera. Fuck yous. Matthew's grumpy because his car's not going. And what's the other one like? That one used to be on it and used to work, didn't it?
Yeah, good.
Mrs. is shitty because she's got the fucking flu still. I got the flu still. Where have we been? 7 days now.
Taking it out on you still. And
World's going fucking stupid. And we're back. We just redone the firing order. Spun the dizzy 180 degrees. And we're ready to hear your popping and farting sounds, or take 202. What's the temperature doing?
it's not moving. Might be the heater's happening. The heater's happening, that was closed. It's been sucking, it's sucking, you know, it's been fucking. Fucking hell. So much for that flame-proof fucking plate they gave me. Fuck fucking trap, cut my fucking ass.
A little water came out the end. Is that sitting the right way around?
pumping is interesting. Yeah. Where's the other turn?
You got a temperature gauge hooked up, haven't you?
Yeah, we used hook it up, didn't we? Hell. Yeah. Don't know. Good. So I reckon the thermostat.
You put gas in that, didn't you?
Big.
Ceiling, right?
Nah, no seal. No seal.
Yeah, that's fucking right.
Pull the thermostat quick.
I reckon.
Unless it's 1 degree thermostat, which I don't think it is. Or I can pull it, flip it.
It goes, Ed.
What are we going to do about the vacuum advance?
I don't know, I'll have to look up. It goes. Happy days. Bit of work to do, but at least it goes. Mr. Wilson back. And the apprentice, look. What's going on, apprentice? So we've just done a couple of little laps around the front yard. It's not tuned right, we've got no vacuum advance. But it's surprisingly good. So, got a tiny little pop there. Not sure if we'll lose that if we once we set the vacuum advance up, but it's actually running pretty good. So we're going to take it for the first spin down the road. Got a bit of bodgy stuff going on here. We've got the old cable tie, fuel cable, shit mount. We want to actually get a longer cable for that. But it all seems to be working safely enough for a bit of a test spin. So we'll do a quick zip down the road and back. She's got everything she needs. Double checking the wheel nuts on the spare wheel there. But it's actually running good, so we'll see how it goes. Starts easy, idling by itself. Down the road and back. Down in 24-hour fucking Bathurst challenge. I think it's scared him. It's got too much power now. You had that one off too. We're only going down the gravel pit and back. Going live action here. First drive. Doors locked, can't get in. Look how easy it is. Oh, look how easy it is. There you go. Getting a bit sticky in the top end.
It's always been like that though.
Fucking Jesus, look here.
I found a little web, is that what you said?
Cough and spit. Don't bash it up. Yeah,
No, it's going to ease it down there.
it'll drive it easy. Good my way.
All responsive. Not much fuss is ridiculous.
It's actually running pretty good.
Yeah.
Motor. U-bolt. Any power there? Heaps or what?
So much overstand. Ridiculous.
Hey?
So much overstand. It's like just the response. Like
There you go. Oh. Well, what are them sounds? Is that car be popping or something else?
sound like carny popping.
Turn around down here somewhere. How many horsepower she got more, you reckon, mate?
I don't know. It's hard to say.
You haven't put a Chev badge on it, so it can't have that much more. Good off. Got a little bit there.
Sound. So I mean by that.
Rattly muffler. Alright, so it's actually not driving too bad with no vacuum advance. You'll find you'll get a little bit more bottom end power with vacuum.
That's that exhaust.
Alright. Sunday. I'm going in. Shit, shave and shower and all that stuff. The little Sigma's running. She needs a few rings ironed out. Besides that, she's doing a job. Ain't that fucking pretty?